Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about 200 EMA and RSI for short term and long term stock selection. So most of the people were asking like how we can set up the chart and how we can select a stock for a long term and short term. So I am going to explain through this video the complete tutorial about how to set up and how we can select a stock based on 200 EMA and RSI. Watch completely this video, then only you'll be getting a better idea about how we can set up the chart and how we can select the stock. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today we are going to explain about 200 EMA and RSI for a short term or a long term stock selection. So most of the people are asking like how we can select a stock based on 200 EMA and RSI. So today I am going to explain how we can select a stock and how we can set up a chart. So all the things will be sharing through this video. For selecting the stock, the first thing we have to identify like which are the stock we are going to buy. So once we identify the stock, we have to add to watch list. Then we have to analyze like which are the stocks are coming to 200 EMA or which are the stocks are crossing 200 EMA. So those stocks we can buy or we can sell. So let us have an analysis on like some of the stocks like TCS, Infosys, Reliance, HDFC Life and HDFC Bank. So these are the 5 shares we are going to analyze today based on 200 EMA and RSI. Okay, let us open the chart and see like one by one and let us see like which are the stocks are coming or what is the performance of right now. So once you open the chart, you will be getting a blank page here. Only you will be getting some candles here. So you will not be able to identify like how to buy for a long term or a short term. So we have to set up some certain RSI and EMA. So based on that only you can buy for a long term or a short term. So I am going to explain like how we can set up the chart. So first thing is that we have to set up our EMA. So we have to go to studies. So here you can see the studies here. In the studies, we can search as moving average. So moving average. So the first option you can see moving average here. So just click on moving average and you can see the period here. So the period you can make it as 200. And the type and the field you can make it as close and the field you can make it as exponential. So this is the reason we call this as EMA. So this is exponential moving average. And the color you can keep it as red. So once you have done with this, you can just give a submit. So this is what your 200 EMA is done now. So in the same way you have to go with RSI also. So go to studies here. So in the studies you can see RSI. So this is what RSI. Just click on RSI. So RSI will be added to your watch list. So your chart, it will be added to your chart. So once it added to its chart, so what you can do means you have to go to edit option here. So you can see the edit option here. So just go to edit option and you have to make the period into 300. So here you can make the period as 300 and the field will be close. And here you can see overbought area you have to make it as 50. So this area you have to make it as 50 and oversold you have to make it as 0. Then once you done with this, you can just give on done. So right now what you have done means you have done with your 200 EMA and RSI. So 300 RSI also is done. So now you have to go and analyze like TCS. Okay. So before going to analyze, you have to select this as 6 months and here you have to make it as 1 day. So here is already 1 day. So there is no problem. So now you have to analyze okay like how the performance of TCS. So here you can see just you can drag okay the 300 RSI you can just drag and you can see this is already crossed 50 mark. And in the same way you can see here the moving the 200 EMA also closed. So when it is closed, so almost June it is closed. So almost 2000 it is closed. And currently you can see within 2 months the price has gone almost 200 to 300 points up. So that is the advantage of when you are buying a stock which is crossing 200 EMA. So you can invest like whichever stock is crossing 200 EMA, so that you will be getting a good profit. And in the same way you can see here also, like almost March month it was closed, coming down below 200 EMA. So on those occasions you can sell the stock, and you can see within a month it was closed almost from 2000 it went to 1500. So almost 500 point was come down. So this is the reason why we have to use 200 EMI whenever you are going for a long time or a short time. You can use this tool as for a stock selection. So let us see, like whenever it is closed. So you can see like whenever it is closing, it is moving such a way up. Here also you can see like in the month of February you can see it was closed 200 EMA, and then it was going such a way up. So this is like one of the easy way where you can select a stock based on 200 EMA and RSI, and you can make a good profit. Okay, let us analyze some more stock also. Okay, now let us go back to Infosys. So okay, let us see Infosys also now how it is going to work out. So just open the chart. Okay, this is about Infosys. Infosys was closed 200 EMA on the month of July, and you can see it was closed here, and you can see the can just tag here. Okay, so here also it is all above 50 line. It means you can buy the stock, and currently you can see above around 700 it was closed 200 EMA, and you can see now what is the performance of Infosys. Infosys is almost now 200 points up. Currently the rate is 923, so almost 223 points are up. So within a span of time you can make a good profit of. So this is one of the easy way where you can use for a long time or a short time method. If you are going for a 1 month or 2 months, you can use this 200 EMA and RSI. So based on that you can select a stock. Okay, let us see some more stock. Okay, let us see about Reliance. So this is Reliance chart. Okay, let us see Reliance. Okay, in the month of May you can see in the month of May it was closed 200 EMA, and let us see like how the performance is there. So if you see the RSI also is above 50 line. So because of that you can directly you can go and buy the stock, because there is nothing to worry. So once 200 EMA and RSI is closed, you can think that this stock is going to give a good perform in a short time or a long time. So if you see like around 1250 it was cost 200 EMA, and currently now if you see the rate is almost 2000. It means almost 750 rupees is up. So within how many months? Within 2 months it was given almost a good return. So that is the reason like whenever the stock is crossing 200 EMA, you have to identify like each day you have to go and see like which other stock is coming nearby 200 EMA. So once it is closed, then only you have to go and buy. Like if it is coming nearby the 200 EMA, some occasion it can go down also. It will hit 200 EMA, and this may go down also. So always you have to see whether the stock is closing. Like you can see the candle here. So once the green candle is above the 200 EMA, you can go and buy the stock. Here also you can see like in the month of March, it was come down below 200 EMA, and it was like going almost 300 to 400 points down. So like whenever it is going up, you can buy, and whenever it is coming down, you can sell. So both options you can do. And in the past also you can see like in the month of October you can see it was close 200 EMA, and it was going such a way up. Okay, let us see one more stock. Okay, let us see like HDFC Life and HDFC Bank. Okay, this is I have given for a short time for the last 2 weeks, and let us see like what is the performance of HDFC Life now. In the earlier video I have shared about HDFC Life and HDFC Bank. I have recommended for these two stocks for a long time, and you can see here. So these stocks are closed in the month of July, and you can see within a few weeks, within 2 weeks, you can see the stock was given almost 30 to 40 points right now. So this is advantage of like whenever you are going to buy a stock, first thing you have to identify like which of the stocks are coming to 200 EMA. So here if you see the month of May, it was just came and touched the 200 EMA. That is the reason I told don't buy on such occasions. It was the candle has to cross 200 EMA then only you have to buy. See, with the month of May it was closed. Even in the month of June also it came and again closed. Again it went down. But when I told to buy means on the month of July I told to buy because the candle was above 200 line, and that is the reason I suggested HDFC Life for a long time. And right now you can see within 1 week it was given almost 30 to 40 points. So this is one of the basic idea about when you are going for a long time or a short time, you have to always keep in mind like 200 EMA and RSI. So 200 EMA and RSI is like very important, like when you are going for a long time or a short time. You have to set all those things and you have to identify like which are the stocks are crossing 200 EMA. So based on that only you have to buy. So like instead of going for an advisory, like most of the people go behind advisories, and whatever advisories give you will be buying and selling. So instead of that you can work out. Based on that you can buy and you can sell the stock and you can make a profit. So start learning by yourself without rather than depending on any advisories. So in the same way I have started a WhatsApp and Telegram group to help the beginners. So this is like WhatsApp group where I'll be like posting like daily basis like what is the update of market, like where we have to invest and which stock we have to go for a long time or a short time. So all those information I'll be providing in my YouTube and as well as in my WhatsApp and Telegram also. So you can visit my WhatsApp and Telegram. The link I will be sharing in my description. Okay, in the video description I will be sharing, and you can visit my description and you can join to this group. So daily basis I will be providing like where we have to invest. The same way you can see my YouTube in my Telegram also. So this is like my Telegram channel and where I have created a group to help the beginners. So daily basis I will be updating like where we have to invest, like which stock is going to perform well in intraday or a short time, long time, all those things I'll be providing. So this group is absolutely free. So you can visit my description and you can join to this group. The link I have given in the description. Okay, you can visit there and you can join to this group. So in the same way, if anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking application, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned here, the same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So those interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. I have uploaded a lot of videos related to market. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. So hope this topic is very clear, and if you need any clarification regarding 200 EMA and RSI, you can contact me. I have given all the details in the description. So if you are satisfied with the topic, you can like my video. In the same way, you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching.